In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix can't buy Robux or add payment method on Roblox. Let's get started. First, what you have to do is launch settings, then navigate to the option screen time. Head over to the option content restrictions. Here, click on the option iTunes and App Store purchases. Click on the option in-app purchases and set it to allow. If it is disabled, that is the reason you cannot buy Robux. After this, you will be able to add payment method as well as buy Robux. In case you are still having the issue, what you want to do is launch Roblox. Now click on three bars, then head over to the option settings. Now here you're going to find the option of payment methods. Go ahead and click on that. Remove any existing payment method, then add a whole new payment method. If still you are unable to add the payment method, what you want to do is use browser instead of the app. So close this, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the official website of Roblox, log into your account, then navigate to the section of payment method and add it from there. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.